Good morning and welcome to Mr. Boo. I am Mr. Boo, the one, the only. Welcome back to the channel, and man, it feels really good to be filming again. It feels really good to be creating content again. I had quite a bit of time off. So I'm a critical care nurse, so I was the whole COVID thing, and I just took some time at home and created a project. And the garage, I know the garage, why? I now have laundry in here. Had to do all of that work, wire it, plumb it, send the heating duct outside. I did get the one thing that I was really wanting, my 50-foot flex hose for my pressure washer, and a spigot there. This is faulty though. I have to swap that out, so it's kind of leaking, but that's okay because I mean it literally goes straight into a drain. And then my sink, I'm so excited for this because I can like go into the house clean. I've been wanting that since I literally bought the house. So if we come out of my garage, normally we'd go upstairs, but then downstairs there is a full little den, a bathroom, and then if you come in here, this is the kitchen I built. This used to be just like a countertop for laundry. There was a big freezer there, and then there wasn't a wall here. I put the wall up, got a similar matching door, and then did all the plumbing, all the electrical, all the drywall, the tile here. It was a lot of work. So I was dedicating a lot of time to that, and I completed it. I want to say I completed it in a couple months. I'd have to do the math, but I was working full-time still, and I was also doing that. So literally zero content was being made. And luckily the car's been running perfectly. We haven't really had any issues with it. Not that that's what I want my content to be about. I got a replacement starter, and turns out I think it was the starter was going bad anyways, but we think it was the loose connection that was causing arc. So I had to get my new starter taken off and get this replaced. Luckily it was under warranty, and the guys at Mr. Auto Electric here in Springfield, they just took care of it. So I'm gonna toss that back in, and then I have a solution for cruise control. I figured out what it is, and now the car's running beautifully. I want to get cruise control done, and then just kind of playing around and enjoying the car for today and tomorrow. Now let's do a little cruising. Oh, dang it. Freaking dump wasn't open. Oh, that's so sad. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it goes. Gosh. I hope no one gets on the highway. No one get on the highway. Damn. All right, got the king oyster mushrooms. Let's roll. Not making it. The only bad thing about driving with the dump open all the time is people think you want to race all the time, no matter where you go. If I have it closed, it's too quiet for me, and I don't like it. I'm thinking about getting like a Q300 or something. I don't know. We'll see. up traffic. Yes, I do. That's a lie. That's a harsh lie. Trying to hit the curb over there. Get it, boy. I think the one good thing about the Q300 would be I could keep it closed most of the time and I could still get those nice cracklies, which I don't really get a ton of right now. But it would be really nice to get that. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get video updates, and I'll see you next time.